All this right here has got to be grinded to make a good weld. So grind all this. Yeah, you got it, grind. Make sure you turn the right bottom.
Hey, don't pull that curve like that. On camera, boy.
Oh. It's on. That's good. That's good right there. Let me get a hammer. Let's see what this looks like. Hold on. It all look better.
I never will.
Come on. Let me see that. That's well too. You know something else. Let's follow the rule of God.
Here we go.
All right, you ready, cousin? We'll get with you. Hold your hood. All right, here we go. Left-handed or right-handed? You right, left-handed?
All right, left hand, but I do it too.
Okay, you need right-handed? All right. All right, we'll get just sit in that chair right there and get comfortable. All right. Get that up for just a second. I'll show you like I showed Logan. You get right here, right? You want to start over here, right? You hit it and make say little baby circles right there, okay?
Little baby circle?
Yeah, little baby circles in it. But what you want to do when you see it, well, when you see it start puddling right here, you want to drag it over here to this. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you first so that way you can see what it's like. All right, ready? Put your hood down. No, get close, cuz you can't get away from it. You ready? Okay. All right, see how I was doing little circles? All right, we're here. I'm gonna probably grab hold of your hand and just shoot. That way I can lead you and just show you. All right, get your wire out on it a little bit. That's true. All right, can you see it into your wire? All right, go ahead. All right, let's look at that. Hold on. Let's look at that and see what we're doing wrong.
Whenever you do it, just be limp.
Yeah, just be limp. Don't fight against me. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to use my hands to guide you. You know what I'm saying? So just be limp. You just want to just feel how it's supposed to go in motion. That don't look real bad first time you ever grabbed a hold of a welder with it. It looked better than the first weld I ever did. I promise you. Ready? All right. Back over there too. Hold on a second. Hey, I said hold on.
I was trying to get the wire out.
Because you can't get wire out while you got it that close. All right, just relax. Relax your hand. All right, go. Hold on. You hear that sound right there? It sounds like bacon. Alright, let's see. See how much better that looks than the one you did? See how slow we were going? It's actually, the speed might be running a little too much. Alright, try to weld that last little piece by yourself. I'm gonna watch it. Just weld from, see where you stop, weld it to that other little weld. Alright? Go. Get closer. Come down to your second piece of metal. Hold on, stop. See, you welded all, you welded all your shit into the steel instead of dragging it down somewhere. See, what you're doing is you're digging out of this metal and attaching it to this metal. See what I'm saying? You're digging from the big pieces to the little pieces. See, the way you did, see, you got a big old gap in there behind that? All right, try it. Just run over it again. Start back over here and just come back in again.
All of it?
No, just that last little section. Go. Get up higher. Get up on the thick stuff. There you go. Slow down. No. Slow down. Get closer to it. Yeah. Hey, that's looking better right there, boy. Slow down. You're making it loose. Slow down. There you go. Come on. All right, let's see. It sounded good. Oh yeah, you closed it up that time, cool. That's what I'm talking about, boy. Hey, that look.
Reed's Welding Service.
Hey, Reed's Welding Service. Slow poke in the house. How you like that, cuz? It ain't that bad to weld, is it?
No.
It didn't look bad, look.
Start welding our frames up together.
You do that like that? Huh? My God, you gonna leave it like that? Huh?
Come on, man. Tell it, say, yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. It looks good.
Yeah.
Say, it looks good,
Don't
don't it?
look bad.
Yeah.
Hey, it don't look bad first time you ever touched a welding machine.
Dude.
Hey, welding ain't, you just don't pick up welding overnight. It's got something you gotta learn.